Welcome to the lesson called Introduction to Learning Outcomes. This course is dedicated in helping learners formulate learning outcomes and also will focus especially to dental education. What are learning outcomes? Commonly called short as LOs. LO, learning outcomes. Learning outcomes are statements that describe the knowledge or skills the student should acquire by the end of a learning activity or time. It can be a particular assignment, a class, course, or even the full program. LO provide a contextual perspective where the learning, including knowledge and skills, would be applied and be helpful for students' career. Yellow provide a guidance on the level and breadth of assessment and requirement for progression in the program. Let's continue in understanding LO, a learning outcome. Learning outcomes guide and explain how the knowledge is integrated and applied to a setting. This further tells students how the learning is applied in the immediate setting of the classroom as well as when they use it in future for life or career. Let's find the difference between learning outcomes and learning objectives. A learning outcome describes the overall purpose or goal from participation in an educational activity, whereas a learning objective are used to organize specific topics or individual learning activities to achieve the overall learning outcome. It is very useful to structure a learning or educational activity using learning objectives. Learning outcomes specifies what the student will be able to do after the learning, whereas objectives tells what needs to be done during an activity. Let's see an example. Learning outcome LO states that the student will be able to perform non-surgical extractions and biopsies. But that learning would be possible after going through various learning activities ranging from a lecture, PBL, simulation lab, work-based activities. And the learning objectives for an activity, let's say lecture, will be aligned to this outcome will be like this. List the instruments required for non-surgical extraction. Explain the principles of non-surgical extraction of teeth. Why do we need to provide learning outcomes to our students? To inform them what abilities and competencies are learned from the course or the program. Secondly, to define and clarify the goals to be achieved. To show the connection and contextual relevance of the course materials to the intended learning. To draw connections and integrate learning in various domains, cognitive, psychomotor, and affective domains. To relate and generalize the learning outside of the class also. What is the importance of learning outcomes to the instructors? Contextual perspective. The instructor can assess whether the content will be suited and contextual to future potential applications through the development of learning outcomes. To help focus the learning, context provided, knowledge and skills are useful and relevant now as well as in future related to their workplace or higher education. LO also point to the right assessment methods and overall strategies. This would entail sequencing, integrating, and providing the right tools of assessment. The success of the first course can be evaluated by benchmarking against the standards set by the LO. Now, what is the importance of learning outcomes to the institution? The course is developed as part of a program and it is a very integral part. The course and its learning outcomes should be congruent and fit well in the curriculum for it to be coherent and clear to all stakeholders. The LO also ensures that the students who come out of the program are ready for any future work or learning that this education should support. The LOs reflect the institution or the university on its values, principles, and priorities it projects to the stakeholders. New opportunities for enhanced student engagement, interdisciplinary work, or others can be identified. The LOs also provide a structure to evaluate the course and hence the program. In summary, learning outcomes provide context and information to the purpose of the program and course. LOs are important for all the stakeholders, students, instructors, and institution. LOs clearly show pathway to achieve the educational goals of the program or course.